A sector in crisis. That's how the opposition People's National Party PNP has described the energy sector since former Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley was removed from the helm. The PNP had a press conference on the issue on Wednesday, demanding that the Prime Minister make immediate changes in the country's interest.
When former Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley was removed from that position amid accusations of nepotism, the portfolio was moved to the office of the Prime Minister. However, opposition spokesman on energy Philip Paulwell says under the Prime Minister, the sector seems to be in free fall.
I don't believe that the Prime Minister has done a good job because he can't. The Prime Minister's office is already overburdened by so many other portfolios. We have not had a single meeting of the Energy Council since 2016, so both Minister Wheatley and himself have failed in that.
The Energy Council was set up with support from both parties to advise the minister. But in addition to that, Mr. Paulwell listed no new renewable energy projects since the 2013-14 projects, and those should be completed soon.
Nothing has been said by this government of this, and we stand to lose the gains that we have made.
Also, the Vacuum Distillation Unit VDU project at Petrojam, which seeks to reduce production of heavy fuel oil, HFO, was to be completed before the JPS's new LNG plant comes online.
I warn again that if this project is not done and done within time, Petrojam will not continue to be viable.
He also questioned the status of the program to improve efficiency at the JPS as a means of reducing energy costs to consumers, and the reviews that were supposed to be conducted into public funds risks with Petrojam operations. Collectively, Mr. Paulwell says that's why the opposition is now sounding the crisis alarm.
We need to get some updates, and I again don't believe that the Prime Minister has the competence in himself and the office to deal with this energy portfolio. It needs a specialized minister.
Attempts to get a response or update on these issues from the office of the Prime Minister were up to news time unsuccessful. Herman Green, TVJ News.